Welcome to Salt and Carbon. Join us as we travel around Australia, enduring highs and lows with our trusty pop-top troopie called Tina. Sit back and enjoy today's episode.
That's good.
We just arrived in a small town called Pemberton, and it's quite a beautiful little town. It reminds me of some of the small tourist towns in South Africa like Dullstroom. We're gonna go to the visitor center now, see what this town has to offer.
We've seen this, what looks like an old railway bike. It's pretty cool here at the Pemberton Information Centre. I've never seen one like this before. It's made out of wood. Does anyone know how this thing works, or has anyone seen something similar to this before? Maybe you can let us know in the comments. We couldn't resist temptation for too long. Nice jam donut and caramel eclair.
The moment on the lips, a lifetime on the hips.
The golf green is with sand instead of grass. It's a first. We just pulled up to this little avo store. For 25 avocados, it is $10. Massive tray of avos. Farm fresh, right off the trees probably, for only $10.
You can see over there, that's an avo farm. Quite annoyingly, Jen and I came to the Dave Evans bicentennial tree and found that it was closed, which meant that we couldn't climb up this tree, as scary as it may be, to see the lookout points. We never did find out why it was closed in the end.
Just at the natural pool in Pemberton.
Always flowing apparently.
Gonna have a dip and some little ducks. Is it cold?
It's nice. Very cold, but nice.
Okay, here goes nothing. No, I'm scared. Oh. Here goes nothing. Ooh. It's cold. Just a day in the life of a sun tanning man. Unemployed. It's a very different kind of swimming experience. A natural pool with the forest around you. Pretty epic actually to swim in. Some delicious homemade hot chocolate at the chocolate factory.
Blend salted caramel or caramel and 55 dark.
Yeah, that's it. Should be delicious. So we're just sitting here at Brook Dam. We were flying the drone over the dam, just getting a nice view of everything. And this eagle just came and tried to take the drone. It swooped the drone like 3 or 4 times, and it was so close to us actually. It came right up to the viewing deck to try and steal the drone.
3 meters of us to try and get the drone. Crazy.
It's one hungry eagle.
Yeah.
It's like, man, his heart is racing, adrenaline is pumping.
We get different colours, so that one's got brown through it.
Okay, so today Jen and I bought some fresh marron from a local marron farmer just down the road. We're in Pemberton, if you don't know that already. And we're just getting some water on the boil, because apparently the way that everyone eats it is just by boiling the marron after you've put them in your fridge and let them cool down, or they go into a dormant state. And we're looking forward to it. We might have it with a nice salad or something along those lines. Okay, we'll see whether this fits inside our pot or not.
Wow, he's a big boy.
Yeah, apparently this is due to the size of its claws. It's a Lefroy marron. So the marron is in the pot, and the rule of thumb is to allow the water to get back to a rolling boil, and 6 minutes after that point your marron should be fully cooked.
So it's turned very red as it's been cooking. It was initially a very dark black color.
So Jane, how does the marron taste?
It's really nice. I like it a lot. Is it nicer than a Wagyu steak? No, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, so we just, there you can see it's right there. We've just tried to have it neat, just to actually taste the meat itself, instead of putting garlic butter and all of that sort of stuff in it. But yeah, I reckon it tastes pretty good.
Next time we'll make it with some sauce though, I think.
So this evening is a bit of a meal prep evening. Jane is making some guacamole with the 40 odd avos we got for $10 here in Pemberton. At the time of editing this video, FYI, we're currently in Ningaloo Station, so not in Pemberton anymore, and we still have some of that guacamole in our freezer. And we're just boiling up some sweet potato for our lunches and all that. Thanks, Anne.
Pleasure. Can't let the good commodity go to waste. Alright, good morning. We are up on a beautiful sunny day, camping out in the forest, and we are making smashed avo for breakfast, the Australian favorite. Got our delicious avos right from the farm, some nice eggs, Rana's made some toast, and now we're gonna put that all together. Can't wait. And there is the finished product. Yummy.
Yeah. Where are we at the moment, Jen?
We're at the Cascades in the Curry Forest, just outside of Pemberton.
Nice. So you would have noticed that there's not a lot of running water at the moment. This area hasn't seen water for the last 2 months, more or less. And when there is a lot of rain, then the Cascades, why it's called the Cascades, because you have all of these little waterfalls falling into one another. So that would be nice if there was a bit of rain, of course. What I really like in this area, or this part of WA, and maybe the rest of WA is the same, is that at all of these touristic spots, they've got these little tracks that you can walk around. This one is only 1.2 kilometers, but it gives you an opportunity just to walk around and see a bit more what the nature has to offer. As always, Jen and I thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this episode, and we can't wait to show you what we get up to next.